Okay, jumping right into it. So why industrial real estate as an asset class for 1031 exchange DST investors? First and foremost is rental rates, and the average asking rates in 2023 rose 20.6% year over year. So you've got large amounts of rental rates increasing year over year, so by almost 21%. And that's a function of, the market, the supply and demand imbalance. There's just a lot of increased demand for industrial real estate and not as much supply. Okay, and there is new supply coming online. That new supply has been absorbed well, and we've seen rental rates rising. So that really bodes well for the owners of industrial real estate. So rental rates, vacancies. So average vacancy nationwide, it's hovering around 3.8%. with many markets maintaining a sub 2% vacancy rate. So we consider that a very healthy market. Really anything that's 10% or less vacancy, we would consider relatively healthy. When you're looking at some of the other asset classes out there, you're seeing vacancy notching up 12, 15, 20% depending on the asset class. And we really like to see as low of a vacancy rate as possible, because that just shows, again, there's a lot of demand for that particular type of real estate. So nationwide, hovering at about 3.8% average vacancy bodes really well for industrial property owners, in our opinion. So e-commerce, that's a huge growth trend, which everybody knows the growth of e-commerce, the amount of people buying and shopping online today as compared to 10 years ago. It's staggering, with Amazon, with purchasing online, all the online retailers. You've got a huge amount of growth in e-commerce. The revenue in the e-commerce market in the US, it was forecasted to continuously increase between 2023 and 2027 by in total about $551 billion. So that's a 54% forecasted increase, and this is by Statista.com. According to this forecast, in 2027, the revenue will have increased for the fourth consecutive year to 1.6 trillion US dollars. So e-commerce is revolutionizing industrial real estate. The need and demand for logistics and warehouse space is growing in a very, very large way. If you go to KPI1031.com, you're going to be able to log in, get free access to these offerings. Also, if you'd like a free copy of my book on Delaware Statutory Trust Properties, which is said to be by many the first book ever published on Delaware Statutory Trust Properties, specifically for DSTs, we'll send you a copy of that as well as a free subscription to the 1031 DST Digest magazine. So if you give us a call or visit our website, we will definitely get you access and free copies of these. Our team's here to help. We've done a lot of these DST transactions. We've helped thousands of investors nationwide complete 1031 exchanges into DSTs. We're here for you. Reach out to us at any time, and just really appreciate everybody taking the time to join us today.